Once upon a time, in a dense jungle, there lived a mighty lion. He was strong, proud, and feared by all the animals. One day, while the lion was taking a nap under a shady tree, a tiny little mouse accidentally woke him up. The lion, enraged by the disturbance, grabbed the mouse with his massive paw. "Please, spare me," squeaked the frightened mouse. "I am small and weak. If you let me go, I promise to help you someday." The lion chuckled, finding the idea of a tiny mouse helping him amusing. He decided to grant the mouse mercy and released him. The mouse scurried away, grateful for his life. Months passed, and one day, the lion found himself trapped in a hunter's net. He roared in desperation, but his cries for help seemed futile. Suddenly, the mouse, recognizing the lion's distress, appeared. "Do not worry, mighty lion. I will help you," said the mouse with determination. The mouse began to gnaw through the net's ropes, tirelessly working until the lion was finally free. The lion was astonished at the little creature's strength and kept his promise not to underestimate anyone. From that day forward, the lion and the mouse became close friends. The lion learned that even the smallest beings could possess incredible abilities and that kindness should never be underestimated. The moral of the story is that acts of kindness, no matter how small, can have a significant impact and can forge unexpected friendships.